In this video, I'll show you how you can change the dates on a booking.com reservation. So once you're on booking.com, go to your name in the top right hand corner, then go to bookings and trips. You will need to be logged in for this to work. Once you're on bookings and trips, it's going to show you all of the trips that you're booked for. It's going to show them by the location. So I'm going to click on Bangkok, and that's going to open up all of the trips in Bangkok. Now I've only got one, so we can then click on it. And once you've clicked on it, it will take you to this window, which will be a confirmation window. From here, you can look on the right and you can click change dates. And if you click on that, it will take you to a new window. From here, you can then go ahead and choose your updated dates, then click check availability. And if they have availability, you can go ahead and then click yes, change my dates. Now the price may increase, it depends on what dates you're changing to and if you're making your booking longer or not, but you can click yes, change my dates, and then your dates are going to be updated.